unvaccinated children healthier. From 2017 to 2020, the Henry Ford medical system did a study with 30,000 children, and this is what they found. Overall, chronic health conditions were 2.5 times higher in the vaccinated group, where asthma was 4 times higher for children that were vaccinated. And when you look at brain dysfunction, diabetes, ADHD, behavioral disabilities, learning disabilities, intellectual disabilities, tics, and other psychological disabilities, there were 0 cases in the unvaccinated children. This study looked at the health records of 30,000 children, 26,000 were vaccinated, and only 4,000 were unvaccinated. This study was never published because the scientists involved were afraid of professional repercussions from what the data showed. And because it was never peer-reviewed, other scientists are saying that this isn't good science.